Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly that everyone has already been looking for someone to anchor the energy? That was me this week at a high-profile international conference in Kuala Lumpur. Not because I was the loudest or the highest ranking or the smartest, but because something else clicked inside me. A quiet confidence, a structured presence, a feel that people could feel, and that's when it hit me. This magnetic presence isn't luck. It's rune work in action. Before I go further, a quick clarification. When I talk vibration, I don't mean vibration. A vibration is just a movement. A vibration is a patterned vibration, a stable rhythm that creates structure. In scientific language, vibration is the arrangement or formation of fibers or fibrous structure. Esoterically, vibration is a patterned vibration that forms a stable structure or field or coherence by aligning rhythm, form and intention. Rune work is vibration work. It aligns body, mind and intent, action, thought and outcome into one coherent inner geometry. And that geometry is powerful. Here is what I experienced. When my inner field was coherent, the entire meeting shifted. People slowed down. They listened. Tension dropped. Clarity rose, and somehow, without trying, I became the quiet center everyone oriented around. That is the flip of coherence, the moment where inner structure becomes outer influence. So how do the runes do this? Ease. The rune ease is the axis, the straight, unshakable spine of presence. Read. The rune read is the rhythm, the pulse that steadies your breath and sets the tempo others naturally follow. Man. The rune man is the half field, the noble intention to uplift, to harmonize, to enter the room with goodwill. When these three vibrations line up, your presence becomes geometric, clear, stable, magnetic. People feel the pattern, even if they don't know what it is. In Kuala Lumpur, before every panel, before every conversation, I activated that inner structure. Access, rhythm, intention. And without forcing anything, the room shaped itself around the coherence I carried. Not persuasion, not status, resonance. That is the secret. That is why rune practice is not just esoteric, it's deeply practical. It creates a coherent vibration and then naturally influence every space you enter. The runes shape the inner world shapes the outer one. So here's my call to action to every runester listening. If you want magnetic presence, if you want to walk into a room and feel it align around your clarity, start working consciously with the runes, but specifically the formula is read, man. Build your coherence, shape your field, and let the world resonate with the structure you carry. We need more coherent people in meetings, in leadership, and in daily life. Let your rune work carry you. Let's become those people and let's teach others to do the same.